A busy mom's grocery shopping. Hi there, my name is Anne. I am a busy mom and an office worker. Today is Saturday, my grocery shopping day. Let's follow me to the supermarket. First, I go to the fruit section. I need a big bunch of bananas for the kids. Wow, the colors here are so beautiful and bright. Should I buy more fruits for the family? So I decide to pick some sweet apples for dessert. And I also take 5 oranges to make fresh juice. They smell very fresh, like a summer day. Afterwards, I walk to the meat counter. My family loves roast chicken very much, so I look for a large, fresh, whole chicken. Aha! This one is perfect. I also pick some green herbs for the chicken. They make the meal smell amazing. Everyone will absolutely love this dinner. While I am walking, I see my friend Edna. Oh my, she is buying 10 bottles of soda. No, 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 Edna, that is too much sugar, I say. I tell her about my fruits and explain to her how fresh oranges make better juice. She thinks for a moment and smiles. Eventually, she decides to buy some fruit with me too. Next, I go to the bakery section. I need a special cake for our party tonight. Let me see, which cake looks the best? Yes, I see a small cake with white cream and strawberries. I ask the staff to write "Happy Family" on it. Aw, it looks very pretty and perfect for tonight. Then I go to the snack aisle. I see some cheap cookies on sale. But wait, let me think about my kids' health. These cookies are cheap, but they have too much sugar and oil. I find another box with nuts and honey instead. It is a bit expensive, but it is very tasty and healthy. Finally, I go to the checkout. My basket is full of colorful and healthy food. I have chicken, fruits, snacks, and a lovely cake. Healthy food is the best gift for my family. Now I am ready to go home and cook. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What fruit does Anne buy first for her kids? Answer. She buys a big bunch of bananas for her kids. Question 2. What does Anne get from the meat counter? Answer. She gets a large, fresh, whole chicken. Question 3. Why does Anne tell Edna not to buy 10 bottles of soda? Answer. She tells her that it is too much sugar. Question 4. What words does Anne ask the staff to write on the cake? Answer. She asks the staff to write "Happy Family" on the cake. Question 5. Why does Anne choose the box with nuts and honey? Answer. She chooses it because it is very tasty and healthy. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.